Good morning everyone. Today maths test was there. I hope you have done all the sums and now you will check your answer. I am telling you one by one. First question is that 2 is the root of which equation? 4 equations are given to us and he is asking which equation has 2 as the root. So in every equation one by one we will put x is equal to 2, and if LHS and RHS are equal, then we will say that is the root of the equation. In this equation, if you will write x is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 4 minus 8 minus 4, that is 1. LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not root of, 2 is not root of this equation. Now here 2 square means 4, 2 3s are 6 minus 12. Here also LHS is not equal to RHS. Now 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 14 plus 6. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So right answer is C part. Now question number 2. In question number 2 he is saying that half is 1 by 2 is the root of this equation. X square plus kx plus minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. And he is saying 1 by 2 is the root of the equation. Find k. As it is given that 1 by 2 is the root of equation, means in place of x, if we will write 1 by 2, then LHS and RHS will remain equal. There will be no effect. Now in place of x, I have written 1 by 2. Square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus k by 2 minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. If we will take LCM, 1, 2 2s are 2k minus 5 equal to 0 into 4, 0. Now LCM will be neglected. 1 plus 2k minus 5 equal to 0. 2k minus 4 equal to 0. 2k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 2. That is k is equal to 2. This is the right answer. K is equal to 2. So option is A. Right option is A. Now question number 3. In question number 3 he is saying that the quadratic equation 2x square minus root 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Tell the nature of the roots of this equation. For nature of the roots we will find discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. B means minus root 5 square, 4 into 2 into 1. Root 5 square is 5 minus 8, that is minus 3 less than 0. So we will write no real roots. This will be the nature of the roots. So right answer is C part. Now next question number 4. In question number 4 he is saying one root of this equation is negative of the other. Equation is given to us 4x square minus 8kx plus 9 equal to 0. He is saying, you know it is a quadratic equation, so two roots will be there. And he is telling that one root is negative of other. Means the roots are only change in sign, otherwise they are same. It may be 3 minus 3, it may be 4 minus 4. So let us suppose we don't know the exact number. Let roots are alpha and minus alpha. These are the roots of the equation. You know, if you will find the sum, then the sum will be 0. We can find sum of roots also, we can find product of roots also, but with which we can find the value of k, that we will prefer. So here I am finding sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, means alpha plus minus alpha, minus this minus as it is. What is b here? Minus 8k. And what is a? 4. Alpha minus alpha is 0, minus minus plus 4 2s are, means 2k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 by 2, that is 0. This is the right answer. K is equal to 0. That is B option is the right answer. Now next question number 5. In question number 5 he is saying that 1 is the root of two equations. Ay square plus ay plus 3 equal to 0. Y square plus y plus b equal to 0. And find the value of ab. 1 is root of both equations. As 1 is the root of equation, so in place of variable we can write 1. A into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. And here also 1 square plus 1 plus b equal to 0. Here a plus 3 equal to 0. 1a plus 1a, that is 2a plus 3 equal to 0. Plus 3 will become minus 3. So a is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 we will shift that side. This is the value of b. Now he is saying find AB. AB means multiply the value of A and B, and if you will solve, you will get 3. So right answer is 3. Which option is right answer here? A option is the right answer. Now question number 6. In question number 6, he is saying that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation has equal roots. Then find the value of c here. As roots are equal, so discriminant is 0. Means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square is equal to 4ac. Minus 4ac will go that side. And we want to find here c. So b square by 4a will be the right answer. And this option is D. D option is the right answer. Now next question number 7. In question number 7 he is saying which of the following is not a quadratic equation? X plus 2 whole square is equal to 2 into x plus 3. X square plus 3x is equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 3x whole square. X plus 2, x minus 1, x square minus 2x minus 3, x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole cube. If you will solve left hand side and right hand side, see in first, here what will come? X square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 3. When you will bring all terms this side, this will be a quadratic equation. When you will solve this will be also a quadratic equation. When you will solve this will also be a quadratic equation. But this will not be a quadratic equation. Because x square in left and right, they will cancel. No highest power will be 2, only one power will be the highest. So the right option is C. C is the right answer. Now question number 8. In question number 8 he is asking that which equation has no real roots? X square minus 4x plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. X square plus 4x plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. And one is 3x square plus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Three equations are given to us and he is asking which equation has no real roots. Means discriminant is less than 0. So we will find in every equation discriminant. Where discriminant will be less than 0, that will be our answer. Now here what is DC? B square means minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 3 root 2. And here discriminant is B square minus 4AC. And here also we will find discriminant B square minus 4AC. Now solve it. 4 4s are 16, 3s are 48, minus 48, 0. Here equal roots are there. Here 16 minus 4 3s are 12. Here it is plus, here is minus, here is minus. And what will come here? 16 plus 12 root 2. And what is root 2 here? Root 2 means You know what is root 2? Root 2 is 1.414 and so on. So up to 2 place we can write here to know that it is less than 0, greater than 0. It will be greater than 0 because we are adding two things, two numbers. So this is here also no real roots, here real roots are there, real and distinct. Now see here 16 minus 12 root 2. And what is 12 root 2? Root 2 is 1.4. 2 I am taking up to one place. So what will come? 16 minus 16.8. That is minus 0.8. It is less than 0. So A option is the right answer. That in first A part there are no real roots because discriminant is less than 0. Now question number 9. In question number 9 he is saying if one root is 3 times of the other. Equation is given to us ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and one root is 3 times of the other. One root is 3 times of the other. If one is 3 then next is 9. 3 threes are. If one is 4 then next is 12. But we don't know the first, so how we will find second? So we will write let roots are alpha and 3 alpha because one root is 3 times of the other. Now what we can find here? Sum of roots, product of roots. Sum of roots is equal to minus b by a and product of roots is equal to c by a. Sum of roots means alpha plus 3 alpha. What is b here? B and a is a here. 4 alpha is equal to minus b by a. Then what will be alpha here? Minus b by 4a. So from sum of roots I found the value of alpha. Now product of roots means alpha into 3 alpha. Product of roots is equal to alpha into 3 alpha and here c by a as it is. 3 alpha square is equal to c by a. Put this value of alpha here. 3 minus b by 4a whole square is equal to c by a. 3b square by 16a square is equal to c by a. Now b square 3b square you can keep this side or 3b square you can keep this side. 16a square will go in multiplication. C by a, here I am writing 3b square is equal to c by a into 16a square. 1a will cancel. So what will come? 3b square is equal to 16ac will come. 1a is here, 1c is here. So this is the right answer. 3b square is equal to 16ac. The right answer is C part. C option is the right answer. Now last question number 10. In question number 10 he is saying 2 is the root of equation. Question number 10. One equation is x square plus ax plus 12 equal to 0 and second is x square plus ax plus q equal to 0. He is saying 2 is the root of this equation, and this equation has equal roots. Then what will be k? As 2 is the root of equation, it means it will satisfy it. 2 square minus a into 2 plus 12 equal to 0. 4 minus 2a plus 12 equal to 0. Minus 2a plus 16 equal to 0. Minus 2a is equal to minus 16. A is equal to 8. Now this value of a we will write here. X square plus 8x plus q equal to 0. Now in this equation he is saying that this equation has equal roots. Means discriminant of this equation is equal to 0. As roots are equal, as roots of this equation as roots of this equation are equal, as roots of this equation are equal, therefore discriminant is equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is b here? B is here 8. 8 square minus 4 into 1 into q is equal to 0. 64 minus 4q equal to 0. Minus 4q is equal to minus 64. Q is equal to 16. So q is equal to 16 is the right answer. I hope your all sums will be correct. Okay. Thank you.